Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well today. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to hide your friends list on Facebook and make it private. This works inside the Facebook mobile app on iPhone, Android phones, and Samsung devices. If you care about your privacy and don't want everyone to see who you're friends with, this is a great setting to know about. Before we get started, if this video helps you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel and helps me bring you more useful tutorials like this one. Now let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. In Android mobile, you will find the three-line icon at the top. On iPhone, you will find it at the bottom of the screen. Once the menu opens, scroll down a bit. Tap on the settings icon to go to settings. Here you will find many options. Click on the settings icon. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section called Audience and Visibility. Under this section, tap on how people find and contact you. At the top of this page, you'll see an option called Who Can See Your Friends List. Tap on that option. Here, Facebook will give you a few privacy choices. You can set it to public if you want everyone to see your friends list. You can set it to friends if you only want your friends to see it. Or you can choose only me to completely hide your friends list from everyone else. If you want full privacy, select only me. After choosing your preferred option, tap Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your friends list is now hidden and private on Facebook. This is a great way to protect your privacy and control who can see your connections. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.